Hey guys, welcome. Ready to dive into the NFT world and log in to your OpenSea account. Whether you're using an email or crypto wallet, I've got the steps to get you into the marketplace fast. So first, head to the website. I'm already here. Use a trusted website browser like Chrome or Brave for the smoothest experience. On the homepage, click the profile icon or login button. It's top right next to the wallet balance, right over here. After that, guys, you'll see options to sign in with an email or crypto wallet like MetaMask. Pick your method. If you're using email, click continue with the email, enter the email tied to your account. It's fixed, so no swapping it later without a new account. You'll get a magic link or code sent to your inbox. Click the link or paste the code in the app. Done right, you're in. If you're signed up with Privy, it's still email-based, but mobile app login isn't available yet. So if you prefer a wallet, choose MetaMask, Coinbase, or another from the list. MetaMask's the most popular. Click it and a pop-up asks you connect. Hit next and connect. And after that, you're basically done, guys. That's how you log into OpenSea. Back in your account, drop a favorite NFT that you like below. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.